Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am. Welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading futures. 10,000 subscribers on this channel. I just want to go ahead and say a big thank you. I am honored, I am thankful, and I am shocked, but we finally hit this humongous milestone, so we are doing a giveaway. That's right. That's why you're here. You want to know how to get in, what to do, etc. So, first off, the link will be in the description down below, as well as the pinned comments. So you can click on that link in order to find out how to get in. Basically, it is all automatically done. It will have a deadline. You can get multiple entries by doing several things, right? So you'll enter with your email. Then you can share it on Twitter, Facebook, Messenger, email, etc. And you can get multiple entries that way, as well as following me on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, etc. And you can come back every day for more entries. So you can compound your entries just by coming back. You can find out more, link down below. But to get into what you're going to receive, one is a copy of Flash Crash, the book. It's about a trader named Nav. It's an amazing read, really good, and I think that everybody should read it, which is why I'm going to give you the copy. The second thing you're going to receive is an hour of my time with you for whatever you want, basically. We can talk trading, we can talk day trading strategies. This is an open conversation that we will have, and I will not hold back. I will give you everything you ask. I will give you. If you just want to chat, we can chat, but let's keep it trading related, most likely. So this is a big step. I'm very excited. Again, thank you for being a part of this journey with me, and a part of this YouTube channel. We have the best community out there, with this channel and the free trading chat, which is linked down below. We have the best community, and that's all made up of you. So I appreciate it, and I'm very thankful for this humongous milestone. We started this YouTube channel 2 years ago with the anticipation of hopefully getting 1,000 subs, and now we're at 10,000. And I mean, the next milestones are 50 and 100, and we're going to get there together. And again, just super excited and very grateful and appreciative. So I hope you're super pumped about this giveaway. I'm very excited about it and very excited to meet and chat with you, the lucky winner. We'll do a Zoom call. So very excited to meet you. And again, you can enter by the link in the description down below or in the pinned comment, and you can enter multiple times. So I do recommend you do as many of those entries as you can, because everybody else is going to be doing them also. So it's going to increase your odds of winning, right? So I hope you have a great rest of the day. Make sure you smash the thumbs up if you are so excited for this giveaway like I am, as well as hit the subscribe button, because we are on to bigger and better things from 10K now. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. I will see you when we pick a winner. So thank you. Have a great rest of your day, and peace.